For
always
context,
implemented.
I didn't mean to interrupt, but just for context, for people who are unaware, could you describe what you mean by Jyot?
Yes, so it's that's why they also questioned it. What's that, Jyot? So to me, I always saw a light. So just like we lit a diya, right?
Mm,
So I saw it in that form, right? Then people question me, what do you mean? Manika, that's my divine. Like,
mm,
what divine? I said,
mm.
that's my divine. That's what you are
Yeah.
asking. So that divine is for me is that, in terms of scientifically consciousness, right?
Mm,
We could talk about individual consciousness,
right.
then lots of individual consciousness make a group consciousness, lots of group consciousness make a collective consciousness,
Mm,
and lots of collective consciousness make one divine consciousness.
mm.
Same way, people stop here, but I say
Correct.
no, lots of divine consciousness
Mm,
make a supreme consciousness, and then
mm,
lots of supreme consciousness make that one consciousness, which I call one big human being in which the entire cosmos exists. So for
mm,
me is that Jyot,
mm,
right? So that time I
mhm.
was not able to explain, but in terms of consciousness, yes, I can
Sure.
explain it now. And in terms of, those who are very religious, so if we say Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, the three
Mm,
consciousness, because there are three things, the Shaivites, Vaishnavites, and the Shakta
mm,
followers, right? So if
mm.
you combine all three and that one source, that's the Jyot and the divine. That was
Nice.
for me. But now I am able to explain it in all the context of
Mm,
religiously and then. And if I have to explain it for our viewers in a more detailed way, so individual consciousness is like we humans or the things that we can
mm.
perceive with our five senses.
Correct.
The group consciousness is also the people around us, the connectivity
Mm,
between them.
mm, mm,
Then these groups make a collective community.
mm,
Then after this community, lots of community combined to that planet. That is
mm,
your oneness.
mm,
Then
mm,
there are lots of planets, and then there are lots of beings. Then we talk about aliens. We talk about star seeds. We talk about lots many things. So these are also the divine consciousness. When
mm,
all these divine consciousness from whichever realm or dimensions you talk about, when you combine them, then it becomes your one. That the
mm,
supreme consciousness,
mm,
and in that supreme consciousness is everything. There are archangels, there are angels, there are divine beings that we talk about. Then there are the spiritual gurus, those who we call like Mahavatar Babaji, Swami Vivekananda, they call immortals.
mm,
They are part of this realm. Right now, whatever is there, different religion and different
mm,
things, when they are also under one umbrella, that one umbrella is that the source.
mm,
So that's how I define it. That point of time I was not able to define, and they used to tell me भगवान किसी से मिलने नहीं आते हैं, and I was like,
mm.
मेरे भगवान तो आते हैं. And I was so naive. I used to cry because I was not
Mm,
able to explain it. So my whole journey, that Reiki was one course that I did, and then this hypnotherapy was one course that I did.
mm,
To be honest, that course is helping me now. Why?
mm,
Because right now I am in Canada, and
mm.
I don't need any certification or license to
Right.
practice it here. Though in India, I was practicing it all over. I had clientele from Australia, Dubai, UK, US. Okay? But when I am in Canada, now those certificates are actually
Mm,
helping me. So now I know,
nice.
which I didn't know at that time, that why
Yeah.
I am there. Because I was already able to see all those things. I was already working on those things, but that gave me a professional structure, and that
Mm,
gave me a boost to my journey.
right.
Right? That gave me a boost to
Mm.
my journey.